Welcome to this video module on the use of the active voice in technical writing. A best practice for a technical writer is to rely primarily on active voice and use a minimum of passive voice. After completing this lesson, you should be able to describe active voice and give an example. Describe passive voice and give an example. Describe why a technical writer should primarily use the active voice. Move a sentence from passive voice to active. Why active voice is best. Readers will better understand technical writing if you used active voice. Readers will know what to do. For example, consider these two sentences. At the end of the process, submit should be clicked by the user. Click Submit. A reader will know with the second sentence immediately what to do. The first sentence does not make the action as clear. When you develop a document in Word, for example, you can see a green underline and passive voice consider revising as a comment. Some estimates state that the technical writing should be over 75% active voice. Converting to active voice. Let's look at some examples of passive voice and how to convert to active. You know passive voice because it includes a form of the verb to be. Is, are, was, were, are examples. With the subject typically at the end of the sentence. You will move the subject to the front of the sentence in the active version. Here is an example. Passive. A city was hit by a tornado. Active. A tornado hit a city. Here is another example. Passive. The baby was weighed by the doctor. Active. The doctor weighed the baby. The passive voice needs more words when compared to the active. The passive also conceals who does the action. Wordiness makes it generally harder to understand a sentence, so this makes passive less desirable in technical writing. In some cases, especially in scientific writing, passive could be a better choice. In describing an experiment, who set it up is not important, as in the following example. The trials were conducted in 1945. Reading tests show that people retain information better when it appears in active voice. You can also see the following publications encouraging the use of active voice. The Chicago Manual of Style, the Microsoft Manual of Style for Technical Publications, Broussard Handbook of Technical Writing, Strunk and White Elements of Style, the American Medical Association Manual of Style. Let's review. In this video module, we looked at active and passive voice and saw examples of each. You should now be able to describe active voice, describe passive voice, describe why active voice should be primarily used in technical writing, move from passive to active voice. Thank you once again for watching this technical writing video module.